Good morning po sa ating lahat. There was a simple question once asked. When was the last time you said, I love you, I care for you, or even, how are you, to the people closest to your heart? Kasi po minsan, nahiya po tayo, di ba? Minsan feeling natin awkward or corny ang mga salitang ito. But deep inside, these are exactly the words that we long to hear from our loved ones. Life is not always easy. There are moments of pain, problems, disappointments, and silent struggles. In those difficult moments, we long for people who will stay beside us, to comfort us, to uplift us, and remind us that we are not alone. Sabi nga sa Bible, Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1, there is an appointed time for everything under the heavens. If there is time to be born, there is time to die. Hindi po tayo laging magkakasama. One day, people we love may no longer be with us. That's why habang may panahon pa, let us love one another. Let us care for one another. Huwag nating hintayin na mawala sila bago natin maramdaman ang pagsisisi. Love should never be delayed. Kind words should never be postponed. Because sometimes, a simple I love you or kumusta ka can heal a tired heart and give hope to a weary soul. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord let His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord turn His face toward you and give you His peace.